Hello guys, how are you? This is Villa here. So I hope you guys are doing well in this pandemic situation. So there was an update yesterday night, so that I thought I'll be sharing with everyone. So who has not known about the update. So suddenly I thought of opening my Google Chrome engine, so that on the top itself there was an article, not just a normal article. So it was a shocking article for the PUBG Mobile fans. So it is clearly mentioned that no permission for PUBG Mobile's launch in India. So the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology of India haven't given permission for the PUBG launch in India. So there was a news shared by Gem Esports, so which has been shared in the all Google articles. So you can see here there is a clear information about that MEITY, that is Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, has not given permission for launch of PUBG. So this was a big disappointment, where so everyone were hoping that there are chances, high chances, up to 90% of confirmation that PUBG would relaunch in India. But unfortunately guys, so we have lost the option. So let's wait for the good hope. Maybe in future we may receive the response from PUBG, whether it will be relaunching or not. Then too, there are some users that are accessing global version, as well as some streamers as well as are playing in Korean version as well. So as you can see, I am able to open the global version still with my account, old account itself. So I can go to my previous statistics and everything. So all my seasons are reflecting here itself. So my PUBG has been back. So with all of my previous records, as well as my equipments and whatever I have spent through the UC, RPs and my inventory, everything has been written back. So maybe for some people it may not, I don't know why, what is the reason. So but some people have been got this one. So if this is there, well, good. So you can still enjoy the essence of PUBG and still you can play. So or else we need to wait for the official confirmation. So then too, some players have been shifted to COD or Free Fire, but the enjoyment what we were getting here, the intense battle which we were enjoying in this PUBG Mobile, has been missed out in both the games. So see you guys, see you in the next video. Maybe alternatively we will be thinking of more to upload new kind of games, and we are also thinking of alternative games to be created, and possibly we'll be having a live stream again for the custom rooms, maybe in PUBG Mobile Korean version, or if you are able to access the global version also, we will be able to create the custom rooms. So let's see. So if it happens as we are thinking, definitely we'll be back and we will enjoy the game. Thank you guys.